On 15 January 1953, a twin-engine Vickers Valetta transport aircraft of the Royal Air Force, RAF, serial number VX-562, collided over the Mediterranean Sea with a four-engined RAF Avro Lancaster maritime patrol aircraft. All 26 people on board both aircraft were killed. Accident. The Valetta had departed RAF Lucca with 16 passengers, 15 airmen and 1 Royal Navy (RN) sailor, on a return flight to the United Kingdom. Just before 5 o'clock, the Valetta was between Pantelleria and Sicily when it collided with the Lancaster in poor visibility and heavy rain. The Lancaster from No. 38 Squadron RAF was following HMS Gambia and other RN ships on an anti-submarine exercise. The 7 crew on the Lancaster and all on board the Valetta were killed. Rescue and aftermath. HMS Gambia and other ships were used to search the scene for survivors, but only wreckage was found. Later, the destroyer HMS Chieftain was dispatched to search east of Pantelleria after a note case belonging to one of the Lancaster crew was found, without success. Investigation. The Court of Inquiry decided that the weather conditions at the time were a factor with localized thunderstorms, heavy rain and hail, and no blame could be attached to any individual. Evidence did reveal that, although the Malta Flight Information Center was not in possession of full information on the Lancaster's sortie, it was not a contributory cause. References